but probably not. It has been relatively cool, though. Today's high was 64, pretty close to average. But we are going to warm things up really a lot next week as we get into the 80s and may stay there, actually, for a few days. So today was a lot like yesterday in temperature, but today had the clouds. Yesterday we had that sunshine and that beautiful blue sky. But here's the thing. Look how dry we are. 666. That's how dry we are right now compared to the year. We could get over a half foot of rain and still be a little bit below average. Now, we're not going to get that much rain, but we are going to get a decent amount coming in tomorrow. There's the view of the Zaka Bridge at 60 degrees. That wind out of the south, gusting to 23 miles an hour, that will keep us warm tonight. That warm southerly breeze, but it also is bringing in some extra moisture. So when that front comes through tomorrow, it has more moisture to work with. Dare I say, almost a little bit muggy tomorrow. All right. We need the rain. This is the area that's going to moderate drought. This is the area that's just dry, and this area is in severe drought. So everyone could use this rain coming in. This first batch is just kind of fading away. Watch it over the last few hours. You can see how it just goes down to almost nothing. And that's what we're left with right now. Really kind of some glorified sprinkles more than anything else from Worcester up through Lowell. Rain never really made it very far south of Boston today, and it was really light when it did even come through. But this line out here to the west, which is much more impressive and has much more energy, is going to tap into that moisture. We've seen a bit of lightning and thunder with this. We've also had severe thunderstorm warnings. Now, the severe weather will be staying out here, but we could have a rumble of thunder when this finally works its way in here and then taps into that extra moisture. So let me break it down and show you what happens. Tonight, not much going on. Really, it's not until we get closer to dawn. So tomorrow morning at 6:30, that second front is in here, and now it starts to wrap this moisture back in here, which is why we're going to keep rain going through the afternoon. It's not just one line coming through. It's going to sit here for a while. And that's why we have that potential for getting over an inch of rain. So this is 2 o'clock tomorrow. Evening commute, it looks wet. It's going to be slow. And then we'll keep this going even into tomorrow night. In fact, if we go towards Friday, we still have a chance of seeing some scattered showers hanging around. Fridays will be much lighter. It's just kind of hit or miss stuff. But tomorrow looks like a pretty decent amount of rain coming through here. And then as we head for Saturday, watch what happens. Everything moves out of here. The sunshine comes back and we warm things up. So as far as how much rain we're talking about, as I've mentioned a couple of times, it looks like over an inch of rain in many spots. We could get some that get a bit more than that. And everyone's going to probably get at least a half inch out of this whole thing when it comes on through here for tomorrow. So for tonight, cloudy skies, some scattered showers. They're kind of fading right now, but we'll get a better chance toward dawn. Low temperatures tonight, not getting that cold out there. And then tomorrow, rain. Steadiest from about 11 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock, so it's going to really impact that afternoon and evening commute. There could be some isolated rumbles of thunder as temperatures get close to that 60-degree mark. Once this whole thing goes by, then we're tracking some warmer air moving in, and that's why once we get to the weekend and in next week, temperatures will get into the 80s, maybe even flirt with 90. All right, tomorrow an impact weather day because of that rain coming in here, especially timed for that evening commute. Your Friday is looking a few scattered showers, but just kind of hit or miss stuff, not a big rain. And then we head for the sunshine, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday does have a little system coming through that's going to produce some clouds. Right now it looks dry, but just a heads up, there will be some more clouds on Sunday. But the 80s start as we head for Sunday, and they go all the way into the middle of next week. And with that, a little heat, a little humidity. We might even have a few afternoon thunderstorms pop up as we look at Tuesday and Wednesday's forecasts.